This is really, but really a happy story. Julie contacted me a few months ago. She wanted to get a position as a project manager, and she knew that she had to make the difference on the job market. It's Christian from Vision 6D. So when Julie messaged me that she got the job, I was really, but really happy. Following her in those different selection processes, going through the different interviews, I knew that working together was going to be fruitful, and that the path we had chosen was really making that difference on the job market. Now she works in the shipping industry as a project manager in the logistic department. To get there, of course, that she got the PMP certification. We worked on this together, but to get the position she has, it was really the experience we could exchange within our remote sessions. So, if like Julie, you want to make a difference on the job market, do not hesitate to contact me. I'll be available and at your disposal for remote sessions.